jive. So attention all WSF Open Senior 1 participants, please be ready for your semi-final. After next dance we can start with your competition. So now jive is the last dance. Sulle tänu teile, siin on Rasmus Kolm Eegasevist, Pär Hudapust from CO2's 3E class. You have done your semi-final and we continue now with